Hi, welcome to Atlas Ceramics. My name is Mike Head. I'm here today to talk about some common questions we get asked. When tilers come and see us, or builders come and see us, one of the questions they ask is about anhydrite screed. They always get a little bit worried, especially when they're wanting to tile the floor. Now, if we start from the reasons why you would actually put an anhydrite screed, this is one of the biggest reasons: drying time. Floor times, depending upon the thickness of the anhydrite screed, can be dried in 2 to 6 days, whereas a cement-based floor, up to 40 mil, is a mil per day drying time. So that's 40 days to start off with. Now most floors are probably about 75 mil. Any drying time further than the 40 mil is now 2 days. So not a day per mil, it's now 2 days per mil. So you can appreciate it can go on for some time. The other thing is with anhydrite screeds, they live up more easily. They're great for underfloor heating. They also have less shrinkage, less movement in there. So especially for tiling floors, it's also good. So there's lots of good benefits to it. But as long as you follow these simple steps, anhydrite screed has a chemical reaction between the cement-based adhesive and the actual screed on top. And what happens is it starts to debond and delaminate, so it comes away from the surface. So having loose tiles coming away. How to prevent that is quite simple. We do it at the ceramics, and with the help of Weber products, is use of PR360. PR360 is an acrylic primer. Make sure the floor is dry, it is clean, dust free, so make sure. More importantly, that the surface has been sanded off of the anhydrite screed, because when the anhydrite screed is actually put into place, it has a film over the top. This film needs to be sanded off. You'll find that the company that you're using will say, do you want us to take it off, or shall I? Most importantly, my view is get them to take it off, because they will do it quickly, more efficiently. Because if you leave it for too many days, it becomes so hard that it's really hard to get off. And I've done it in the past where I've actually had to use big industrial sanders to try to take the surface off. It was an absolute nightmare. Never again. Always leave it to the company to take it off, and make sure there's no shiny surface to it. You can see here that use of the PR360 we've done on the previous videos on this tile, and you may be able to see the reflection, how this side has been actually sealed with a PR360, and you can see that it's bonded well to a low porosity tile, a porcelain tile on the surface. So it's a real good job to actually seal your floor with the PR360. If you've got a big floor and you're sealed the whole floor, but people are walking through, it is important that when you come to that thorough way is to actually re-clean the floor and then re-seal it again, because some of the surface of the traffic could have taken a bit off the surface, and so when you put your adhesive down, you could get that delamination going on. That's a simple way of the use. The actual mix of this is 3:1. Make sure every part of the floor is actually properly sealed, all the corners right into it. If you need any further information, you've also got our website, which we have a particular part on here on anhydrite screed and the use of the PR360. Weber also do a handy little booklet, which is available on request. Just give us a call and we'll pop one in the post. But they have all the products in here, and they have some troubleshooting things. So one of the questions is a problem solving, and it's anhydrite screed. What all about it, okay? What all the why it delaminates, and also the solution there. So it's nice and easy. As long as you follow those steps. If you need any further help, then please do not hesitate to give us a call or write to us. But either way, we're here to help, and thank you for listening. Until the next time, we'll see you then.